Good morning from Royal Grand Hotel.
Good morning, I'm from room number 301.
Yes ma'am, how can I help you?
The AC in our room is not working properly. Please send someone here.
Oh, we are so sorry ma'am. I'm informing the housekeeping staff right away.
Please do it quickly. It's too hot here. We cannot tolerate it anymore.
Definitely ma'am.
Oh, another thing. I can't find any TV remote in this room.
Oh, we are extremely sorry ma'am. Is the TV working properly?
Well, the TV is working, but we are getting bored by watching just one news channel.
Okay ma'am, I'm sending someone as soon as possible.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, I want to order lunch.
Yes ma'am, please tell me what you want to order. Let's see. 1 plate veg noodles and 1 plate chili chicken, please.
Sure, ma'am. Anything else?
No, that's it.
And may I know your room number, please?
Room number 301.
Would you like to come to the dining hall or would you like to have room service, ma'am?
Room service, please.
Okay, and at what time do you want to have your lunch, ma'am?
Within 1 p.m.?
Definitely, ma'am. We'll send your order to your room before 1 p.m.
Thank you.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I'm from room number 301.
Oh, ma'am, is there any problem? Sorry if something's wrong.
No, I should be the one apologizing this time. It's because...
What happened, ma'am?
I accidentally broke one of your glasses. I'm so sorry.
No problem, ma'am.
No, I'll pay its price, don't worry.
No, ma'am, it's just a glass. Don't worry at all.
Still, add its price to my bill, please. After all, it's my fault.
It's okay, ma'am. I'm sending a cleaner. He will clean your room.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am. So, this was the conversation. I hope you liked it. Now is the time for the question. The question for you all is, what is the room number of the guest? Make sure to write the answer in the comment box below. I'd eagerly be waiting for your comments. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the conversation. If you liked it, click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then make sure to click on the subscribe button. And share this video with your friends and family. That's it for today. Meet you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you. Bye.